Grandma, what go on?
Boy, me there, me boy, me know say you miss me, no. But you don't know me, I have to go check all pops, cause you don't know when body call, you know. Me whole, but me no cold. And when the body call and me want me little something, me have to go look fit. Now for them young girl, yeah. So them have them good body where them go, doctor go bill. And then do even have a man. Me have my little spooky. When me want my little daka duku, me go feed it.
So what go on? Me there, you know. Me I go mix the Glitz and Glam, you know. Yeah, the body's bleaching cream right now. Yeah, it around the world. Me I mix the cook and me want a little color, you know, grandma. Yeah, me want a little color.
So where you go bleach and now, young boy, you born clear?
No, me just love Glitz and Glam because me say the body's thing. Right now, me have all one little cupcake and me want to go eat. Cupcake?
Yes, cupcake? Yes, man, me want piece. But make sure you know the tea girl one, you know, the one pop-up cake shop, Tina Chin, you know. Cause me no want that, you know. Before me name that, me name little Anisha. I think me know the girl in her Lesha, she name, yes. Glitz and Glam. Yeah, man, me know her. Remember me dey on social media, so me know the whole of them. But me no want the pop-up cake shop. Cupcake for name, me prefer name little Glitz and Glam cream and taste up my mouth, it won't kill me. But me feel like just naming Tina pop-up cake shop. Cupcake that alone will kill me.
No, grandma, man. I want marble slice make, man. She can't make them something, grandma.
Oh, make sure. Before me name that, me name the bleaching cream. Alright.
Alright, may I come with it, grandma? May I come? What's up, my lovely peeps, my beautiful peeps? What's up? How are you all doing? Boy, people. Boy, we get some well-deserved rain that we needed. Because for the past few days, going into Mountain, the place is so hot. I mean, I tell you people, from yesterday, actually right back till this morning, boy, I love it. I sleep like I just fed baby. Right now, me come like me still asleep. Trust me, come like me still asleep. The morning is just so cool. I love it, 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 I love it. Well, what's up? What's up? Boy, never ending saga in social media, people. As one die, one born. Boy, I mean, I tell you. Speak my mind, people. Want to know what to do, you know, just continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please remember to watch the ads. And when you hit the video, just hit that thumbs up. You know, to give the video some algorithm so YouTube can, you know, recommend and share out the video. And please remember, if you have not yet also subscribed to the backup channel, just go over there and give it a subscription. Life is a Mission TV. You know, family oriented channel. You don't know, cook vlog, drama, social commentary, you know, and as you know, adventure to come. Well, my people, I come across a video for T girl, the old corrupted mind surgery body girl. You know, where me don't know in life what she have so that everybody just want to see she stay down and not elevating. But I think it's the other way around. She just want to see everybody stay down while she elevating. But it's just not working because God not like ugly. You understand? And if you are on a business and the next person run a business and the next person business strive and here one not strive, that not mean you have to try and beat down the people them won or the person won. You know? You just go back to the drawing board and realize what you're not doing right. If it's even have to take a leaf out of that person's book, you don't have to make the person know, but just observe what the person, and try observe what the person is doing, yeah, and try see if you can copy somewhere along the line and then twist where you copy into your little style where you never have before and see if it will work. Instead of trying to tear down that person because they are more progressive than you. And this is exactly what this girl I do. I see this woman this girl go, must fly go Atlanta over the weekend at one carnival. Say, she go do business. But, you know, and it seems like she go Atlanta for do business. But honestly, people, from she reach Atlanta, she a create public mischief. And you can't leave from one state to a next state for go do business. And you carry negativity. It will fall down for your business. And it come like that's exactly what happened to T-Girl business at Atlanta where she go do the little carnival. Something. It come like it never prosperous. You know, it never make it. Probably she look like she never make my car plane fare. Because I don't think well, I don't know if I drive, she drive or what, but if I ever drive, she drive, I don't think she make my car gas money. Because one, these people create public mischief just for views. These people spread propaganda and tell lies just for views. I see the woman there in the area which part the carnival I keep and stuff. And she dep on her live. This is the first mischief I see this woman create during the whole ordeal. And a woman way in the background. T-Girl dep on her live depon. Who? See it there? I lie. You and them no friend, but see it there, them follow you up. I send them come. That's why you have to be careful of what you are doing, you know, and put measures in place, you know, because see it there. Watch her, the big old tough, old crusty woman. Watch her. You know, watch her. And she have her phone and she try zoom up the woman and all, and she zoom up the woman, you know. The woman is so far in the distance that the zoom can't carry up the woman close enough. And up to today, we have not seen that woman's face. Up to today, T-Girl has not identified the person who she claim a scout her out. Who she claim a watch her out. You understand? But what she do? She just create it to cause animosity to and cause a problem and give her followers and the phone something to talk about. Give them something to talk about. Yes, that's exactly to make it look as if she play a victim now. To make it look as if, see ya, as me come Atlanta, me there and see them send them friend to come follow me. Them send them friend to come trail me. See how they? When you look upon her, rat in she buck her toe, you frigga you should have this, you should have that, you should have that. And up to right through that live, T-Girl, we don't see who the person is and she don't identify the person. So how can we believe that someone was really scouting you? Someone was really spying on you? And people, all who watch it live or did see the video, she said this woman was just going about her business. The woman on her umbrella seems like she have a phone in her hand, like she have video the world, you know? Just like how she would have depend on her phone. Somebody else could have see she and say, well, she have video them and she has spy on them too, you know? But it's just all about the whole settings and surrounding. It seems like the woman, the on her umbrella, and she have, you know, a view and a video of the place. And she said the woman has spy upon her. Who the woman is, we don't know, because she don't identify the woman. If you see the woman and you want to make this thing look real, or if this thing is real, why didn't you call the woman name to social media family? So if anything we can answer right, whether I saw it go or not. And then the place is so big that everybody is there, minding their own business. But through you, have created so much public enemies. If a dog bark off our next dog miles away, you're going to feel like you the dog bark off her. Because you think you're the only dog out there. But there's a lot of other dogs out there. You understand? So this is the thing where you create. So make you feel uncomfortable within yourself when you're then away. You understand? You're paranoid. You make yourself being paranoid. Not people make you being paranoid, you know. You make yourself being paranoid because you go around and you make unnecessary mischief. You create unnecessary problems with she and the old lady. You try to resurrect the dead at all times, all when they are resting peacefully. You understand? So not even some cemetery you can't pass. You understand? Because you might just buck up on some, you understand? Or kick all a carcass and you just wake up on you. Yeah. Because that's how you plan your life. That's how you live your life. For a woman to say you're a business woman. See right now, you and Glitz and Glam. Me have heard you throwing shades at Glitz and Glam, you know. And Glitz and Glam always, Lesha always come out. Most time, me catch her with a different channel bring her thing, or me catch her upon her live or so. If she's playing hypocrite, I don't know. But I always hear she trying to call peace in the whole social media saga. Many times she big you up. Many times, you know, she give you props to your product and stuff like that. As I said, if she are playing hypocrite, I don't know. But I always hear she trying to encourage you. She always say, boy, I don't want to just the pantina, so me not gonna be that type of person. Despite she did come at me and I did have it out one at a time, and me did be the bigger person, and me call her and me apologize. No, you are taking the props for being the bigger person where you did apologize to her. And I hear Lesha come out publicly and say she did feel bad in herself when she cuss you out and she did have to call you. And when she called you, she apologized to you and you did accept the apology and you apologized to her also. So, oh no, you want to come take the prop seat. You apologizing to she after she be the bigger person and call you to apologize. That not mean say, are you be the bigger person and call she and apologize. You just you be the bigger person in accepting. You be a big person, not the bigger person. You being a big person in accepting the apology. So the educated one, sometimes, you know, it seems like you're not well intellectual, you're not very well educated. You just comes on and put on this, you know, bright look and you call some words and you stutter with some and you take a while to bring out some to make it look like you're educated. But most time what you're saying, the words that you're calling and saying, is no words that no person with a normal education don't know. But it's just that sometimes, like all me know, just come out with it with the dirty patois, you know, and you might talk proper English or you come with a twingy twangy, you know, so it seems like, okay, she sounds so educated. No, you're not saying nothing different from what me that say. Or a person what they say you call dunce that say. You're not saying nothing different. The words are not different. It's not that you might speak in the twingy twanga way or you might speak proper English. You understand? But now there's a twist between she and Nisha, my people. So, I go and make on the ear, Nisha kind of get at her after a little misunderstanding go on between them again. And then I might play some parts of she, you know, trying to respond to Nisha. Alright?
Seeing a train, me would have shame my arm, would have disregard she. I know my fault, make nobody now buy a cupcake them. Not my fault. Me I call mommy, I ask her for a recipe, you know. Because my mother have a bad recipe. Let me tell you something. A bad blessing I take your blood. Yeah. Well, fish mode. I don't tell you new name. Fish mode, I know that them call it fish mode. Fish mode. Stop arguing with people by internet or fish mode, or market mode, or sea mode, or rotten fish mode.
When somebody calls somebody fish mouth, you know, and have a nice nickname that, you know, because there must be something about your mouth for somebody to call you fish mouth. Is it your fish, your mouth shaped like a fish with one snook, one parrot, one pagi, or one barracuda, or your mouth raw like fish. Or some know people will get them the type of name the nickname the mouth stay, you know. But I can't act y'all Tina this. We are come talk about Lesha. I can't act y'all Tina this fish mouth. No sir.
I was a rotten fish mouth, yellow man. And you come and say your name fish mouth, you know. What did I rotten? What did I rotten fish mouth, girl? Yeah? My lord. What is it that I call her fish mouth from she young? Me not ask Christ. Say your mouth stink like shit. Me and bad breath people never get along yet from me know myself.
Did Lesha say that? No, I don't think she says that. But I think if she really says that, I think it's true. Because people can't have them the big dicky rotten teeth around us. So, what you see that? I crack this crack and I pull it out. See that? Pull it out. Look on this face. I prefer have this space more than that big cavity out here. So, break off in my head and say me I add somebody. And me have money and me live in a first world country. Because me hear in the same video. I criticize. That's why them say, you know. Bird of a feather will really flock together, you know. And me get to understand, say, you and Curly T girl come one big piece of dough like Ghost and Culture. Yeah, man. You and T girl turn one big piece of dual. Anytime she depend fear alive and attack, she have to bring you in. Ooh, T girl a hot girl. You know, she have her own pieces and she have this and she can buy her own things and she can buy any amount of week she want and she can this and she can that and she can re. And when you depend your life, ooh, Marcia this, Marcia that, Marcia plain and straight just like me, Marcia this, Marcia that, and like when I go and culture, on a turn dual. That's how I expect for living on social media. Join with this one today, join with that the one day today, and tomorrow you cost one day, you join back with that one day, you join back with that one, and just go around and move like you some disposable rotted and towel. That's how now moving on social media, you know. Like when it's disposable. You understand? Every minute you depend Tina. Every minute she depend Marcia. Like when I go and culture. When I do well, I know about. Me hear your company live, your life, and you depend. Oh, third world country. Just like how Master she love talk about third world country. You pick it up. Third world country. You know, it's the same third world country you come from. When you see that George's Lane, I sell your crutch. Can we get to understand how Tel Aviv you come from? Down below Barrow Street, there so. You understand? When you say that a George's Lane, because George's Lane is the key place for East Queen Street, there so. Right between George's Lane, Bandbox, Maiden Lane, Rosemary Lane, right back to Rum Lane. There so, away. All of the girls them used to go on Friday night. From Rum Lane, they saw Wheeler, go all the way back to actually Hanover Street. I had a little place in front of Central Police Station. Where the whole owner used to go, they go selling a crutch. And you was a part-time T girl. Because someone has identified you. But at George's Lane, you used to stay and sell your crutches right across from a little hotel there, so where the crossway up on the other side of the road. And you have a whole of your family down at Tel Aviv. If I don't lie down there, your mother still there too. And your rest of family, I just stay foreign. Single-handedly, a burn out Jamaica about third world country, and who for phone can lock off, on the light can lock off, on the water can lock off, on the Terranat can this, on the Terranat can that. You understand? So, the whole of your family where you left back in a third world country, if you that first world country, why can't you help them? Why can't you pull your family from the wreckage in Jamaica, becomes a United States first world country wrecker, and pull your families from the wreckage that they're in Jamaica, which is a third world country where light and water can lock off, on the phone can lock off, on the this, on the that, on the terrain. You beat down Jamaica. As I said, one is a dual, just like your friend Curly, Marcia. You understand? So, before you can come tell nobody about third world country and beat down Jamaica, you have to remove your family to your first world country where you live in.
Broke and hungry is not the word, and our mouth smell like fish, all fish mouth. Your mouth smell like fish. How the fuck them used to call it fish mouth and you come past social media? I fuck with people. Me love, me go get something to eat here, man. Me can't bother. I want to fish mouth. Why? I want to fish mouth. Fish mouth, you need to take a break off of social media. I can't bother. I cannot bother. Mama, you know my Chris Vice, can you go eat me now? Mama, hurt your feelings. I don't sell cake, I sell bleaching cream. Stop from look.
She really, I go eat you. Because the video when me really come for do, I forgot I did have this video that I want to play and dissect. And plus the whole entry and everything into this video. I'm not going can dissect her video that she have done last night after you do this, Lesha. So what I'm going to do a part 2. Dissecting her video. You understand? And me I tell you, she really I go eat you. When you come mama, you know the Chris Vice there, and you ball out, she go eat you. She eat you already I know. Cause to how she attack. They go where you go on Chris Live and I go on with yourself and I type and whatsoever. You can say she hurt bad. And watching that video, I don't know. Probably if somebody just call in and say something to her out of the way, tears should have dropped. But then again, them women are so wicked. You understand? She could have just pretend because she's a great pretender, you know. A very great pretender. When she come on Fear Live and I look sympathy. When she come on Fear Live and I look something. Because me say, this woman leave and go Atlanta and come back. Go do her business. And from the woman come back, she does miserable. You understand? The woman does miserable. She confused because it's like the expectation in going to Atlanta and come back no work out. It don't look like she sell one half a cake. It don't look like she sell 2 cupcakes. Probably she end up having to give her the cupcake them. Buy 1, you get 5. So you get half dozen when you buy 1 for the same price. So she were at a loss, so she just come back miserable. And then that give her stronger belief that no, that's the people just a work on her. When she a work on herself.
War with me don't sell cake. I don't even know if to bake. Yeah, take step on me for fish mouth. It's not you. For me for, I don't sell nothing over here so we can clean your breath. I make your breath smell good. Man, Tina Chin wants somebody to take one and shove them in her throat and shut her up.
Smells good.
What you want in your throat?
What she want in her throat hole? So you want to tell me say, all of them long time sitting there where she there take deep throat and sitting there, she no cleanse her throat? Because, hey, you see when them say your mouth stink, or people your mouth stink, and your mouth, and in out of your mouth you so stink, you know. So most people could feel like the inner part of your mouth you so stink. The stinkness come from down in your soul. So you see when you breathe, that breath pass all of these corrupt bunkers down in your soul. Yeah, all of these corrupt bunkers down in your soul. When your breath come up and pass it. Alright, just imagine one dog. One car lick down on one dog there so. And him there so till in your lock. And him there for days. And the sun get hot upon him. If you're there at a distance, you might not smell him, you know. But you see when the breeze go blow past him, shh, it does blow the whole of the scent come up all in your face, all about in your caca hole. So the same thing with your breath. When your breath think, when your mouth think, I don't so it all I think this come from. Like I don't in here, so everything lodge. So when the breath come up and pass that, it bring out that thinking smell. So what you want to tell me, Lesha? You go say the woman want to sit there for a rad out her throat. You want to tell me say, all them days when she play dancehall mattress and dancehall empty buckle. Hannah take all kind of sitting down in her throat. You want to tell me say them they sitting the black up choke like when Junction black up on Flatbridge? No sir, Nisha, your out hard that bad.
But you're not for wear makeup. I come on social media and I makeup. I'm born naturally good looking. But I'm born not my mother, I'm not born ugly. Filter, makeup, no filter, I'm not an ugly girl. So I don't know what you try to say. You're gone too far. You should have shame. You're somebody's grandma, bitch. You somebody grandma. You somebody grandma. And you on social media doing the most. You somebody granny. When I'm somebody granny, I ain't gonna be acting like you on social media. Your grandkids gonna have to watch this shit when they get older.
Honestly, no, my people. I don't know. T-girl just feel like she should go do her little buttocks and stuff. She's all that. There is so much woman out there with natural buttocks where they can do. We look far, far better than T-girl. You understand? And if you could do something, when me could do, so me could pay my $1,000 to do something, for either correct something, adjust something, or fashion, make something look fashionable, or say me I go in a style, it have to stand out. T-girl look ordinary with the way she could do her body. That is one. Two, T-girl is not good looking. I now go say she ugly. But T-girl is not this good looking person where, you know, she try to make it look like she is this good looking. T-girl's skin there is smooth. T-girl's skin coming like a tie and dye. Whenever look when she in at them, look what my blouse something here. Just look on her chest how it look. Like her skin tie and dye. Her face is not smooth. Her face coming like, you know, them, you know, well, we have worm in our face and thing, but you have some people, the way them face full of worm, you think of some old muddy dirt. You know, where you dig up and you see them worm there. For them worm just show up and them don't squeeze them face on a daily basis. You see like how you see this old boy your face, look how my face look. You see it, you're not seeing no worm. Not saying if me squeeze, you might don't see. Because where they call them people that do facial and stuff, them tell you that every morning you get up, you know, you're supposed to even squeeze up your face, your nose, you squeeze it up, so you squeeze them amount of worm there in your face. So we know it's a worm in your face, but fear when them coming like them show up. We never see soursop yet, where you see them all sprang there, so it automatically depend on the soursop, and so the worm them automatically there in a fear face. So T-girl is not this person who perfect, and she love come and cuss people and criticize people about looks and shape. All because she do her bottom, she feel like say, yes, it's all done. She are this perfect person. You're not T-girl. So when you come cuss people about makeup on them, something that make you depend. See, tell me now, no makeup, I don't feel no makeup, who no shape this, no shape bad, no look good, who no ugly, who no this, who no that. T-girl, why do you see your broker hungry and can't change your wig where you have on? You distress the wig till it have your ball out for distress signal. I send out distress signals for you to change it. And you take it off, couldn't do your hair. Be a tie up head, or sometimes your head not tie up with the whole of your sideburns that's so gone. The way you stress out in a people business, the whole of your sideburn gone. T-girl, I look for you without makeup. You almost hard for look pan. So no come tell nobody about them ugly. When you're natural, you're almost hard for look pan. What do you see you have to drop your tights way up over your belly because your belly rink up like when clothes crush. And you drop the tights way up doesn't make your body a show. Your body did well done, T-girl. You never have to do that. It will a show. So stop come and criticize the looks of people. Stop come and criticize people. When you talk about man I bring down woman and woman I bring down your own gender. When man like me come out come talk, me not come out come talk for bring down nobody. Me just come out come speak my mind. We do what me see I go on. Because oh woman I bring down your own gender. Discriminate on one another. And what do the discrimination is nowhere near probably the people them where them a discriminate. You understand? But one just figure more and less, okay, yes, I am better off than you. I'm looking good without makeup. I'm like, when you don't have on nothing name hair and makeup, man, you're hard for look, man. See there, you put on a little $30 wig from one day, and right now, you send the wig all gone in a depression. Because the wig never expensive for a man and it want the layer, right? So I know the wig a flag out. Worse, you're going on at the breeze, the Atlanta one day. The wig a flag out, you know. Jesus, peace, and you come on phone every minute. I discriminate people and I cuss people. I tell them where them are from, where them have, who live a third world country. Who live a third world country live better than you. Because for the time of you, they are foreign. If me they are foreign, even 4 years out of the time of you, they are foreign and things not going on for me. If me can't book a flight, me do something make government send me home and take a free flight. Yeah, man. Because only no needed America, man. For Jamaican, people like only no needed America. Because only now make life better. But guess what, me know? You should only not plan to come back here. Because you are both, but just like your friend, as me say, who's a dual. Oh, in Jamaica, you don't have free health care. In Jamaica, you got public, you got line up, you know, the line for one whole day. In America, we don't do that. As soon as we see like the line of build up, we start make nice, everything have to solve. And you start boast about America. So it's because we really not plan to come back to Jamaica. We really not plan to have a better life and reach out certain goals. One can come back, come invest in Jamaica, have a property in Jamaica and business in Jamaica. That's how I behave, so. But as me I say, we do not discriminate and I bring down Jamaica and talk about this third world country. Remember, all I know where I talk about Jamaica and third world country. A vast amount of families still living here. So always put that in the back of the head. When you not try to bring down other Jamaicans, remember when you also bring down a family. And when you not bring down a family, not for no mama or sister, someone have all picnic left here. You understand? Okay.
This shit gonna be all over YouTube. You somebody granny, you better act like somebody granny, girl. You better start acting like these kids granny. It's embarrassing. Her daughter keep the kids away from her true story. My love, if my mother did ever steal like Tina Chin, me would have share my arm, would have disregard she. The things that my mother could have ever done on social media with them behavior.
Honestly.
You must have blood clot, man.
Especially carrying down people day in day out. Every day you have somebody else at war. Every day you have somebody is at it. And you are the problem.
Embarrassing your kids. Out here acting like a retard bitch. Now you could run a marathon on me all week long. Talk about me, cuss me all week long.
That people just keep coming at she, coming at she.
Talk about me all week long. Don't start talking about me. Then I buy a cupcake then. My fault. My fault. We all want you to sell cupcakes, bitch. But you don't want to sell cupcakes. Why don't you want to sell cupcakes? You want to cuss. You don't want to sell no cupcakes. Or you would be selling cupcakes. You want to stay on social media all day and night and fuck with people. You don't want to sell cupcakes. Why you don't want to sell your cupcakes? You are here. You don't want to sell no cupcake? You know what, bitch? I'm going to make you mad. I'm going to start selling cupcakes. Mega start sell cupcake next week and show you how to sell cupcakes. I hope y'all buy my cupcake.
Go, Lesha.
Mega sell cupcake next week. Mega learn how to make good cupcake.
And if you even ice on the top of the cupcake with some of the Glitz and Glam bleaching cream, it gonna taste far better than fair one. Because me here, actually, I put everything here, so I put everything here, so I save it for the next video where I gonna dissect with she. Because me she talk about she a better baker than this, Tara not. Who you too? So you go around and overrate yourself. And to you overrate yourself and you say it now work out physically in your business. You say people are fight you down. Before you correct what you do wrong.
I'm going to have someone to try it. I'm going to sell cupcakes, bitch.
What they
and
going
I'm
to
going to
name?
name my cupcakes after you.
Yeah.
Alright? I'm going to name my cupcakes after you, ho. You want to be a troll? I'm going to bake cupcakes next week. They're going to be good cupcakes. And I'm going to name them right after you. I'm going to name my cupcakes Tina Cakes. I'm going to make rum cake cupcakes and sell it and teach you. This is all funny. It's funny. I had a lot of time. This was fun. Picture on it.
Anyway, my people, as I say, T-Girl left go Atlanta and come back in a sorrow. What caused it, I don't know. But if we analyze the whole issue, things never work out as it's supposed to work out. Because since Tina fly back home, she have been rotting and venting right through. You understand? She a rat and a vent right through since she returned. Me could have leave now. Say me leave from Kingston now, go Montego Bay, I want show down a Grizzly Plantation down a country there. I want big show. Junior Reid party now, so me I go sell some liquor and thing and I rent a boat and I cook and sell some food. And me work out good. And me come back home, people. And me not come back home with us in a spiritual and a nice mood. When me come on all the live and I share the whole ordeal with my speak my mind family. Instead of me come back, I give people a raw deal. No must turn things not turn out good. We no idiot. She has done nothing positive since she left Atlanta. She have thought nothing positive. As she come on the phone, I look sympathy and I go and like she out for breakdown in her tears. Because when you look on her on the live, she out for breakdown. Sympathy. People say it's a part of her game. Once every 2 or 3 months she come out like this. Looking sympathy because she want her followers them to send pretty scream and money come for she come boast. Or probably through a mountain she want money because the mountain when she get on boast so what could have done. So she want some more now so she come out and you know, like she want cry for the people them send money come give her. Anyway my people, I want to at least look out for the next video. Because I said I have a video for dissect with she. I couldn't do she and Nisha in a one. It got too long. It's already long already. So speak my mind people. Continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit that thumbs up. Please to watch the ads. And remember the backup channel. The link will pin in the description and in the comment section. Just hit the link and you subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so. Life is a Mission TV. Family oriented channel. Subscribe to it. I'm out.